Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so we are having a move to the upside. Actually, let me go back and check here. How are we doing? The 1 hour. Oh wow, okay, we're really pushing higher now. Great. So we're even going higher than 1-to-1 ratio. That's great. And let's see hot mining now. Actually, this is delayed because this is the Canadian stock. And just want to go check on my phone quickly. What is the real price now? Shouldn't be long. So, where are you hot? 63.12. Okay, so I went a little bit lower than this. Okay. So now I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So this correction here should be done. And all this was part of A. This section here. Just want to go back a little bit and explain. So we have potential 5-wave up, but the 5th wave not completed. Let's say, for example, the 3rd wave was an A, B, C, completed the 3rd wave. We had a 4th wave, very shallow, but still good. And now we are having this mess here. I call this A. I'm sorry, I was checking something else. Okay, I need to be more. I did call it an ABC, but yes, it's actually a zigzag correction. And so this is the A. Anyway, this is the B. And now I believe that probabilities are very high that we're working into this C wave. Now, let me remove these things here. Actually, also this little fellow. Okay. So what am I looking now? Well, I am looking, well, first of all, it's good that we're breaking out from this downtrend as Bitcoin is doing. Now the thing is, hot and mining really need to speed up and like kick ass, honestly. And so this is the target for a C wave. So I took the A wave to the B wave, 1-to-1 ratio. It would be $80. C wave can go higher. It can even reach the 1.618, which would even bring us to a possible under 1367. I don't think even match the all-time high, does it? Yeah, then here, so the all-time high is 103 because we had consolidation, so we need to take that also in mind. Now, okay, I want to do the analysis on this possible, maybe already started the C wave, right? Okay, so I want to do the Fibonacci retracement for this allegedly wave 2. It looks good, but let's see. Okay, so we did react between the 0.5 and almost the 0.618, so that's great for a wave 2. So it's not too deep, pretty much perfect, honestly. Okay, so now, if we do that, okay, now I want to say, I don't know, now this is debatable, it's point of view. Do you guys see a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5? Or you see an A, a B, and a C? You know, it's I think both are okay. I would go more for the A, B, C though. But anyway, those are details. Okay, no, so now let's go and check if this is something more bullish. Well, first of all, we need to bust the previous higher high. Let's see if we were there and then the price got rejected, but we just started, so the day is early. Well, early. Still left 3 hours and a half, 3 hours of 40 or 39. So let's see if we can do that. It looks like we are consolidating, so that's a good sign. We didn't got rejected big time right away, so that's good. Now let me go and estimate what would be a reasonable target for a third wave. Okay. So this would be a target for a third wave. We put in white. And here we go. In a case that we're not doing something impulsive, but we're doing something, yeah, let's say a diagonal. Then I don't know why I didn't choose the color. I'm going to put it in yellow. Okay, so if the price reached 73.10, and actually let's focus here. This was a previous stop, can really act as a strong resistance. You can see that we have a lot of trading there. In fact, if I pop up my VRVP, it should be pretty high. So the big area was here and here and here, and you can see that the price did kind of hold on these levels. Now the 70, yeah, we do have a small peak really at 73.10 around there. Okay, now that's good. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to put a scenario where, maybe we're making a diagonal. So this would be an A. This is the B. And this could be the C. Now let me change the labels. Okay, let me change the degrees to micro. And I want to change the color to yellow. Okay. So now there are many, Fibonacci is great because it can give us so many options. So maybe we're making an impulsive movement and we could go, way higher, or we're just making a diagonal. So this would be just a wave 1. I would do a 3 wave correction for a wave 2 and 3 wave to the upside for a third wave and so on. So it's going to be a 3, like every move would be a 3 waves. We could also just do a big ABC. So we could say, if the price goes here and we actually start to go back, this could be just an A. Then we're going to do a B, and we're going to make a C. Okay, so we're talking now about structure. Now it's too early to say which one is doing which. So we need to start to invalidate things. For a moment, as long as we don't go higher, everything is still open. Possibilities are almost sky is the limit. So we need price to go higher, see if we react to $73 area. If it start to get rejected, then cannot be a diagonal, but we can start to be just an A, a B, and a C. We will see. But for the moment, it's looking good. We're breaking out from this downtrend. Now we are at the 0.236 fib retracement. And yeah, for the moment, it's looking great. Let's see if we can keep doing that and really push higher. And yeah, there is the scenario where before the FOMC meeting, Bitcoin goes higher, and then after the following hours or a few days later, it crash. So can Atom mining reach higher levels than most it can? I mean, $90 would be crazy, but 83, 80 would be great. So we would have enough height here that if Bitcoin goes lower, maybe Atom mining, since he has the momentum still a little bit, is going to not be dragged as fast because he has momentum on his side. So if Bitcoin make a new lower low, maybe he can manage, I don't know how though, to make not a too deep fourth wave, and it could give a chance to do that fifth wave. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.